everyone, it's me, Elsie, and today we're gonna play some Mape City on Roblox, and I'm with a special guest today. And can you guess who it is? Well, hold on. Lucy, and how about hello, Lucy. Butt juice.
Oh, hi, my Hamilton Doritos.
Okay, whatever. Yes, it is a YouTube sensation. Lucy B is 33 and Mango the Troublemaker. Mango the Troublemaker is not here right now, but Lucy B 33 is. Make sure you go check out her channel.
Elsie's channel is Panda Paws Gaming 313, I think.
Don't forget the space.
Yeah.
There's a space.
Panda Paws Gaming
Space. 313.
313.
And there's a space between. Oh wait. Okay. Okay, we are too busy on our intro. Let's go see Lucy, shall we?
Guys, I'm drinking Dr. Pepper in real life. Oh my gosh.
Her favorite drink ever.
It's almost 11:30 p.m.
No one asked why we're doing it so late. It's not like we tried this 100 times and afterwards we were talking about Pepsi and drinks.
Yeah, it's not like that. We weren't.
Anyway, our code word is butt juice. Anyway, let's go teleport. Let's go.
No one please ask, because we're really weird people.
Yes, we are. By the way, guys, I want you to make sure that you do not make fun of Lucy, because right now she is a noob. Noobs matter, okay? So let's just go teleport to Lucy.
Because I'm on my Meep City account.
Yeah, her real account is actually pretty awesome.
I think I have 10 accounts.
Why'd you say it like that? You're like, I think I have 10 accounts.
Okay, guys, I think I'm drinking caffeine-free Dr. Pepper and getting energy.
Okay.
What's happening?
Here is
caffeine energy from caffeine-free Dr. Pepper.
Okay, so we are gonna go out and get some money for each other. And Makenna, shoot. Makenna just teleported to me.
That's fine.
Tell her we're making a video. Okay, hold on, guys. Okay, guys, this is our friend, Makenna.
I don't think she realizes it's me.
Okay. Okay. And Lucy, okay. I'm talking to everyone. And Lucy.
Oh!
She does not. You just got wrecked.
Oops.
Get wrecked.
I didn't know I thought she was talking to me. Not talking to all the people watching us. I'm still drinking Dr. Pepper.
This is our fan. She's our friend, but this is Makenna. She is our friend, and she's really nice. Don't worry about Lucy. We are forgetting.
I have many.
Yeah, she does. She is checking out Lucy's bathroom right now. That's interesting.
I haven't used my noob account for a while.
This is
I made a
Makenna.
boy account. I've made 2 boy accounts. I made a bacon hair account so I could make bacon hair. And me and Carmina just went around saying like, "Oh, hey, we saw you at the cheese factory."
Okay, anyway. So this is Makenna. She wanted to say hi. Well, she didn't want to. Like, I included her in the video. So did Lucy. Wait. Right?
Oh, hey,
She has a pink sink.
Now we have to do what our purpose was. What was the purpose of life again?
To make butt juice and drink it.
Yeah. Today we'll be making some butt juice and drinking it. No, we're not doing that. No,
Okay.
sorry.
So, actually, we are going to do Getting coins in Meep City and spending it, part 2.
Hey, this sucks.
What?
Oh my gosh, the party estate is only 250 Robux now?
Wow.
The party estate is too cheap for me. I'm sad. Because I bought it when it was 400, then it changed to 500.
No, it was, oh, yeah, it was. And then it got on sale for like, I don't know. Okay, we are missing the purpose of the video, Lucy.
Yes, we are.
Okay.
Let's dance. Let's dance. Let's dance. I don't know what that was about, but okay. Yeah! Sorry, I'm getting caffeine energy from a caffeine-free drink. I think Dr. Pepper is lying to the world. I don't think this is caffeine-free. I think it has some caffeine in there.
She is Emma, popular Billy Ray. Lucy is literally being really crazy right now.
I'm getting hyper for no reason. I don't get this. Dr. Pepper, please stop lying to us. Not sponsored. I don't know why it's not sponsored. Because this is not sponsored.
She said, oh my gosh, my dog just started flipping out. I go, oh, XD, so did Lucy. Oh, I can't believe my dumb spelling, my hashtags. Wait, I did spell right. Either way. Okay, we are missing the point of the video. Anyway. Okay, we are missing the point of the video.
Caffeine energy from a caffeine-free drink. If I'm getting hyper, why am I drinking more? You know what happens? If I drink soda and get hyper, I drink and drink and drink more. Because I like, because I want to drink more so I can get more hyper.
Peeper. I'm gonna get me hyper.
It's just gonna be not gifting. I think this is just me getting hypered off of Dr. Pepper.
Hold on, I have to tell her my channel name. Hold on. Okay, we are back. Makenna just left to look up the channel. So, yeah. Okay, we were missing the point of the video, so we have to get back to the video.
I think she's gonna be confused. She's gonna think I stole a girl's car as her YouTube channel thing. I stole a girl's car.
Okay. Anyway. Okay.
I was at my grandpa's house and I thought he was gonna like look over like, why are you searching if I stole a girl's car on the internet?
Okay, anyway, we're going to do getting coins in Meep City and spending them. A really short one because we were being really
It's
weird.
at 12 minutes.
Mine's at 8.
Yeah, because I think you paused yours. We're gonna have to stop this here for a caffeine energy video.
Okay, so
I'm gonna call this getting caffeine energy from caffeine-free doctor.
Wait, Lucy, there's something we have to do. Hold on.
Well,
We are being really weird right now. We have no idea what we're doing.
This is entertainment.
Entertainment, yeah. Entertainment, yeah,
Who's your
yeah.
favorite YouTuber?
What?
Who's your favorite YouTuber?
Okay, let's go to my house. Okay, Lucy, I am on the video, so don't say anything. Don't bring it up. Okay, let's go. Blah blah blah. And we like now to the I to the no. We're just gonna dance our way there. I don't even have roller skates on, and my feet are just dragging across the floor.
Probably because we're dancing as we walk.
Okay, Makenna's looking around at my house.
I just turned off my mic because I didn't want to get copyrighted.
Makenna, OMG. Bleh. Okay.
Can you please turn off the music?
What?
Wait, turn off the volume on Roblox. I don't want to get copyrighted.
Oh, fine. Sorry. Sorry, I forgot. There you go.
I get copyright.
This is my house. It's the kitchen. I have to switch out my coffee maker because I got a new one.
Hey guys, sorry I had to pause the video, but we came into this house and there was some, I think, copyrighted music on it.
Excuse me?
This video. You guys will watch this and you'll feel like you just drank a can of Mountain Dew, which I guess has a ton of caffeine. I've never drank it, so that's probably why. Because me drinking a sip of Diet Coke, I go crazy.
Yeah,
and
she does.
And I'm getting hyper off of caffeine-free Dr. Pepper. Wait, is this your house?
Yeah.
Oh, it is!
Who do you think it was?
I was just following you, and I don't know whose house you went into. I wasn't looking.
Wow. Okay.
A black chair. I like the hot tub that I can dance into. Hey, do you have Dr. Peppa? Dr. Peppa.
Peppa. Can I have some Peppa? This is my little brother Joe. Wait, okay, I will do the theme song. I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little brother George. This is Mommy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig.
I reached my max recording limit.
Oh, and this is Daddy Pig. Never drank Pepsi or caffeine drinks. I have mucus in my mouth. Me and Lucy are in. Oh my gosh! No, it's in my video. I'm still making my video. Okay, anyway, let's dance.
Just a little bit will not do it. Plus, that song wasn't copyrighted from Roblox.
Look at us. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a big old thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe, and check out Lucy B33 and Mango the Troublemaker. It's all one channel, by the way, if you were wondering. Anyway, and see you guys later. Bye!
Bye!
She said bye from me and Mango, if you didn't hear it.